Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.0566 mark, which is now acting as support. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.0671 mark and the $0.0496 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0539 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expected next, it was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and that was after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.0989 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.1555 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I will also be expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Hbar chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to also give you the short-term scenarios. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side of being the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, where I believe that we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a peak at around the $0.0685 mark. And after seeing that high in the formation of that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.0613 mark and the $0.0572 mark, and it is within this blue target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave to the lower side. And you can see at the time of this recording, we have managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that we might have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0586 mark. And having seen that low, there are high chances that very soon we might start gearing up in what could be the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And if that is the case, and assuming that Hbar is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2 within this blue target area, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0812 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And that is the first possible scenario that we can expect to play out here on the Hbar chart. And as long as we are holding within the blue target area, that is very likely to play out here on the Hbar chart. And we also need to have a worst case scenario that can also play out in case the break breakdown continues. So in case the breakdown continues here on the Hbar chart, I'll still be watching this blue target area, because this blue target area needs to hold for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. But the moment we break out of this blue target area and maybe lose our key area of support at around the $0.0566 mark and continue seeing even lower prices, then that would be suggesting an alternative scenario here on the Hbar chart, where we could possibly get one more leg down within this yellow target area, which was the minimum retracement area in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2 that I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. So for now, let's continue watching this blue target area, which lies between the $0.0615 mark and the $0.0575 mark, because that needs to continue holding in case the breakdown continues, for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and soon we can expect our breakout to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. We also need to continue watching these channel that we are trading within, and as long as we are holding within this channel, then there are chances that the channel might give us a breakout to the upper side to fully support our movement to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And getting back to the 4-hour chart so that I can also take a look at the indicators here on the 4-hour RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal happens within the blue target area. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement to still be supported here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, you have been able to print a bearish cross, but you are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross to fully support higher prices and also our reversal to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.